This video is brought to you by Hats Off. Antarctica. For several decades at least, scientists have known that vast chambers filled with water lie untouched beneath Antarctica's 5.4 million square mile ice sheet. With remote sensing tools, they have mapped nearly 300 subglacial lakes, kept from freezing by geothermal warmth. Iceberg B-15 was the world's largest recorded iceberg. It measured around 295 kilometers, 183 miles, long and 37 kilometers, 23 miles wide, with a surface area of 11,000 square kilometers, 4,200 square miles, larger than the whole island of Jamaica. The barren and totally inhospitable East Antarctic Plateau is home to the coldest temperatures on the planet. And, as if this place wasn't scary enough, scientists recently announced that their instruments indicate that it is, in fact, even colder than previously thought. What's more, the new study suggests that the new record low corresponds with the limit of how cold it can get at Earth's surface. In 2013, researchers reported that the coldest temperature on Earth is -93 degrees Celsius, -135 degrees Fahrenheit. However, an updated analysis using data gathered by NASA's Terra and Aqua satellites and NOAA's Polar Operational Environmental satellites during the Southern Hemisphere's winter between 2004 and 2016, came up with lower values. Turns out that this white hell can be as cold as -98 degrees Celsius, -144 degrees Fahrenheit, between 6 to 9 feet. 1.8 to 2.7 meters deep within the ice. Because cold air is denser than warmer air, it gets pushed downward, into ice cracks and hollows. The most favorable conditions for the lowest temperature extremes were during clear winter skies and dry air. The latter significantly lowers the temperature because water vapor traps heat in the earth. Treaty prohibits military activities and mineral mining, prohibits nuclear explosions and nuclear waste disposal, supports scientific research, and protects the continent's ecozone. Ongoing experiments are conducted by more than 4,000 scientists from many nations. The driest place on Earth is in Antarctica, in an area called the Dry Valleys, which have seen no rain for nearly 2 million years. There is absolutely no precipitation in this region, and it makes up a 4,800 square kilometer region of almost no water, ice, or snow. Water features include Lake Vida, Lake Vanda, Lake Bonny, and the Onyx River. There is no net gain of water. The reason why this region receives no rain is due to katabatic winds from the mountains that are so heavy with moisture that gravity pulls them down and away from the valleys. One feature of note is Lake Bonny, a saline lake situated in the dry valleys. It is permanently covered with 3 to 5 meters of ice. Scientists have found mummified bodies of seals around the lake. Lake Vanda, also in the region, is 3 times saltier than the ocean. Temperatures at the bottom of this lake are as warm as 25 degrees Celsius. The next driest place in the world measured by the amount of precipitation that falls is the Atacama Desert in Chile and Peru. There are no glaciers that are feeding water to this area, and thus, very little life can survive. Some weather stations in this region have received no rain for years, while another station reports an average of 1 millimeter per year.